Okay, so I logged in as Kenneth so that I could kind of see what y'all were seeing, and I clicked on his notebook, and I'm able to click on his name, and when I go to independent reading, the reading marathon reflection, it lets me type, which I know it wasn't letting you guys do that. My only other suggestion would be to open it in the app. That might help. If you have a school laptop, then he should be able to open it in the app. And that might help him. So where he can type on it. Let me know if he's still having issues today. I know that this page I did have locked for him, so that's probably why it wasn't working last night. I fixed that. But just let me know so that I can keep troubleshooting if it's still not working, and I'll still give you a call. But I did log in as him and check, and I think everything's working. It might have just been taking a while to load yesterday. So let me know if you have any more questions.